Did you know the average person spends 90,000 hours of their life at work? That's roughly 43 and a half work years. That's based on a 40-hour work week, working 5 days a week at 8 hours per day. I used to be one of those people and I couldn't stand it, so I decided to buy a laundromat, and here's what happened. Alright, there's a ton of buzz right now about buying small businesses, but I wanted to find a business that I could operate passively, so back in 2021 I purchased my first laundromat to see if it would live up to all of the hype. Here are the 5 lessons that I learned. Number 1, laundromats are passive businesses when they have the right systems and the right people in place. Alright, making your laundromat as passive as possible comes down to automation, smart hiring, and leveraging technology. Here's how you can do it. So upgrade to a card or app-based payment system in addition to collecting quarters. This allows customers to pay less with quarters, which limits fixing jammed coin slots or making frequent trips to empty the coin boxes at the laundromat. What you can do is install card readers or just install mobile payment apps like PayRange or LaundryWorks so customers can pay digitally off their phone. So many of these systems will let you monitor revenue and machine status remotely from anywhere in the world. You can also hire an on-call or part-time attendant. They will handle cleaning, minor issues, and customer service so you don't have to. They can also handle wash, dry, and fold if your business offers it. So hire someone part-time to check in daily or a few times a week. If your laundromat is unattended, you could contract a local cleaner for daily upkeep, or you could use task-based pay. So for example, pay per visit or hourly to keep costs low. Another thing you can do that I love doing is installing security cameras and remote monitoring. So that way you don't need to be there and you can still know what's happening and you can look in the laundromat at any time. You could do this by installing smart security cameras like RealLink to monitor your store remotely. You could also set up automated door locks if you have restricted hours. Another thing you can do is work with a local repair tech on scheduled maintenance planning each month. They could just come in, make sure that all the machines are working, and fix any that are down. So laundromats can be passive, but they're not absent. So even the most passive laundromat needs some management. The goal is to reduce daily involvement so you're only handling strategic decisions, not day-to-day headaches. Alright, number 2, raising prices is easier than you think it is. One of the biggest fears laundromat owners have about raising prices is that if they charge more, they will lose their customers. I used to think the same way, but after running laundromats for several years, I've learned that raising prices when done correctly can actually improve your business, increase your profits, and even make customers more happy because now you have more funds to take care of the business. So here's why raising prices work. Customers expect occasional price increases, so when you look around like gas, groceries, rent, everything goes up over time. As long as the increase is reasonable and gradual, most customers won't even notice. I typically raise my washing machine prices by 25 cents every 6 months. So if your laundromat is clean, safe, and well-maintained, people won't leave over a 25-cent increase. Small increases add up fast, so let's say you have 20 washers and each customer does 1 load per visit, so raising prices by just 25 cents per wash at a busy laundromat, say 200 daily washes, would be $50 extra per day. That's $1,500 extra per month in extra revenue with no extra work on your part or your employees' part. People pay more for a better experience, and customers are willing to pay for a little more for convenience, cleanliness, and comfort. So here's how to justify a price increase. Upgrade the environment with improved lighting, repaint, or add TVs, free Wi-Fi and music. Improve machine maintenance because nobody likes broken machines. You could also offer loyalty programs like a digital reward system to keep customers coming back to your location. The other thing you can do is test the increases in small increments. So if you're nervous about losing customers, test it gradually. You could start with a small price bump on your highest used machines, 25 cents. Monitor customer feedback for a few weeks, and if there's no pushback, just roll it across all of your washing machines. The real risk here is not raising prices because utility costs keep rising. If you're not adjusting, your margins will shrink. So machines will wear out and you need cash flow to reinvest in your new equipment as well. Customers still need clean clothes. People will always do laundry. So price increases should feel like an upgrade, not a punishment. If your laundromat is outdated, dirty, or has poor service, service, customers will complain about any price increase, but if you're consistently delivering a great customer experience, a small bump in price will not drive them away. The third thing that I learned was adding services like wash, dry, fold to your laundromat can be an absolute game changer for your revenue and your business growth. Here's why you should seriously consider it. Higher profit margins. So you're charging for convenience, not just machine usage. A typical self-serve wash may bring in $5 to $7 per customer, but a wash, dry, fold order may be an average of $25 to $50 per bag. Labor costs are manageable if your wash, dry, fold is priced correctly. You can also mark up on detergent, fabric softener, and labor adds more profit to your bottom line. This is going to attract a different, more lucrative customer base, which is going to expand beyond your DIY customers only using machines. So this will attract people like busy professionals, families, and businesses like Airbnb hosts and salons who will gladly pay for these time-saving services. Many customers don't have the time or want to do laundry, so this is a premium convenience service. This creates a more predictable revenue stream. So self-serve laundromats rely only on fluctuating walk-in traffic, but wash, dry, fold customers often return weekly or bi-weekly. Regular customers equals steady, reoccurring revenue. So you can introduce subscription plans or prepaid bundles for even more revenue predictability. So you're maximizing your existing space and equipment. Your machines are already there, so why not make them work harder? Most laundromats sit idle during off-peak hours, so wash, dry, fold allows you to use machines even when foot traffic is low. There's no major investment needed, just some baskets, detergents, and a folding table, and it'll give you a competitive edge over other laundromats in the area. If they don't offer wash, dry, fold, you'll definitely stand out, and even if they do, just offer a better service and you'll get more traffic to your location. Wash, dry, fold definitely helps with brand loyalty, making it harder for customers to switch, and you can also automate and scale it with the proper employees and the proper systems in place. You could use laundry management software like Sense, Clean Cloud, or Laundromat to track orders, and then just hire staff to take care of the service, and their wages will get covered by the service alone. Another thing you can do is offer pickup and delivery to scale beyond the walk-in traffic. So final thought here, bigger profits, less reliance on foot traffic. Adding wash, dry, fold services turns your laundromat from a basic self-serve model into a higher revenue, service-based business. All right, the number 4 thing that I've learned after owning laundromats is installing new machines is 100% worth it, and here's why. There's higher revenue and there's lower headaches. Installing new machines isn't an expense, it's an investment that can increase profits, customer satisfaction, and long-term savings. You really need to change your mindset when you put in new machines and just look at it as an investment standpoint. You could charge higher prices, which is going to mean you get more revenue, and customers are willing to pay more for modern, efficient machines. Newer machines often allow for higher capacity loads, meaning there's higher price washes. You could also install card and app-based payment options, make it easier for customers to spend more per visit. And then there's also low maintenance and repair costs, because really old machines can mean constant breakdowns and things just needing to be repaired. Newer machines are going to be more reliable, meaning less downtime and fewer service calls, and modern machines come with warranties, reducing unexpected repair expenses, meaning more money in your pocket. The other thing is there's lower utility bills, which means that new machines are using less water, electricity, and gas. So energy efficient washers cut water usage by about 40%, some machines more than that. And then high efficiency dryers reduce drying time, saving gas and electricity. So there's going to be lower overhead costs altogether, which is going to add to more profit, and over time, it's going to put a lot more cash in your pocket. Another thing to mention here is that people choose laundromats with newer, faster, and cleaner machines because they're putting their clothing investment in those machines. They also don't want to wait at a laundromat longer than they have to. So if you could provide machines that are faster and reducing customer wait times, you're going to get more foot traffic, which is also going to lead to more revenue. The other thing I love about new machines is they often come with smart monitoring systems, allowing you to track revenue and usage remotely. You can get real-time maintenance alerts, so you can fix issues before they become a big problem. And then the one thing I love is you could also run promos directly from your laptop or computer, just logging into that online dashboard and then you'll get an email every day showing what your revenue was yesterday, month-to-date revenue, and year-to-date revenue. So the way to look at this is not as an expense, but it's really an investment up front that's going to bring you a higher ROI in the long term. So if you want to future-proof your laundromat and maximize your profits, upgrading your machines is one of the best moves you can make. All right, the fifth and final thing that I learned is I will continue to buy more laundromats because laundromats are a great investment now and in the future. They are recession-proof, they provide high cash flow and a minimal risk. Laundromats have always been a solid investment, but they're even more intriguing right now, so I'm doubling down and buying more of them. Here's why I love laundromats. Like I just said, they're recession-proof and an essential business, so people will always need clean clothes no matter what the economy is doing. Even during recessions, laundromats stay profitable because laundry isn't optional. And unlike restaurants or retail, laundromats aren't luxury businesses and they don't have any items that could spoil or go bad or out of season. The other thing is a lot of these businesses struggled during COVID-19 while laundromats were classified as essential businesses and they stayed open. The other thing is laundromats typically have a 20 to 40% profit margin, which is much higher than many other small businesses. There's low labor costs, many are fully or semi-passive with no full-time staff needed, and customers pay up front. So there's no invoices, there's no chasing payments, there's growing demand for self-service and convenience. A lot of markets have more renters, more urban living, which means there's a higher demand for laundromats, and then wash, dry, fold, and pickup delivery services are booming as people want convenience. Airbnb hosts, salons, restaurants, and small businesses need commercial laundry services, and these are great businesses to go after to expand your business. Laundromats have a low failure rate compared to other businesses. They have a 95 success rate, which means they only fail at 5%. It's one of the lowest failure rates of any small business. The other thing I love about them is there's no inventory, no spoilage, no customer debts, unlike restaurants or retail. It's a simple business model and there's no complex operations, just machines doing the work and your employees doing the work if you have them. Laundromats don't rely on seasonal trends or fads. People always need laundry services. So final thought here, laundromats are a cash flow machine for years to come, and they aren't just a great investment today, but they're built for the future with strong demand, automation, potential, and steady returns. Whether you're looking for a semi-passive investment or a scalable business, laundromats check all the boxes. So if you made it this far in the video, it means you're serious about wanting to own a laundromat to create financial independence or build passive income or just add another stream of income to your life. So I put together a free training, which I'm going to link below this video, which will take you through the exact step-by-step method how to find, buy, and operate laundromats passively. It's a free training. All you need to do is click the link below if you're interested. Other than that, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought about this video and any topics you'd like to see in the future. I appreciate you watching my content.